everybody, it's Elizabeth and my little sister with all her babies. And I found this super cool place to sit, you guys, while I'm filming in the car. Isn't that cool? Today it's June 4th. And we are on another hunt for Shopkins. But this time we're on a hunt for Shopkins Season 3. Because Shopkins Season 3...
outside your house for advertisers. Your system will be monitored by your local police, medical and fire departments 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For more information on receiving for free $1,500.
Bye. Who was that? No idea who that was. But anyways, we were talking about Shopkins Season 3. They were supposed to come out on June 1st. And it's June 4th now, and they haven't had Shopkins Season 3 in my town, really. But we're going to go check Toys R Us, because that's where most people have been getting their Shopkins Season 3, at Toys R Us. And I know I said that Toys R Us Shopkins are so much more expensive. They are. But I still want some Season 3s. It's not like I get a lot, though. Because I probably won't have a lot. Probably a lot of people want them. Wow. But we're going to go to Toys R Us and see what we can find. And we arrived. We are going to Toys R Us. Yay! To find some Season 3 Shopkins. Here. Again. Now we're in Toys R Us. And we're here for Shopkins. And Shopkins only, which, that's gonna be hard. Because this place is awesome. You know what, I kind of do want some of those nasty flavored jelly beans. Yeah, the Bean Boozled stuff. That would be nice. Let's go down this aisle. Oh my gosh, it's Season 3 Shopkins! Oh, yay! God, this is awesome! Look at all of those! Flappy Cap! Sushi and the macaron! Oh, sushi and macaron!
Mommy, that's...
Yeah, they're a lot more expensive here.
gingerbread house.
Well, there's a bunch of 5-packs.
Wedding cake!
This is super cool.
And sushi! And peach!
So here is all of the Season 3 Shopkins. They have some 5-packs and some blind bags. A lot of them, which is super cool. And the Season 2 blind baskets are gone. So no more Season 2 blind baskets. Birthday Betty, and macaroon, but macaroon is a macaron. There is a big difference between a coconut cookie and a sugar cookie with icing in the middle. open this mystery one. I wonder what it'll be. And the mystery one is, oh, I love this one. It's the fridge.
I love the fridge.
Her name is Frosty Fridge, and she is rare.
Show the back.
I like how detailed season 3 is. So this is Frosty Fridge, and she is rare. Now we are going to open the wine basket. I love the color of the season 3 wine baskets. They seem a little harder to get into. Okay, oh, got it. I got it. But I love the color and how sparkly they are. I think that is so cute. And this part is a lot easier to get into than the season 2 was. Okay, so our first one we got is Poppy Rocks.
Oh, I like the pink one.
I believe that is her
Pop
name.
Rocks.
Yes, and she is a bag of Pop Rocks. This is Pop Rock, and she is common. She is so cute. Our next one in our basket is, drum roll. This is Scody, and she is common. She is so cute and detailed, and she's kind of shiny. That is new. I have never seen a Shopkins that's shiny like that. That is so cute. I haven't seen a season 3 basket. It is a lot bigger, but more narrow. And it's really glittery, and I just love the colors. And I think you could probably fit more Shopkins in it than you can fit in season 2. Yeah, it looks like you can fit more Shopkins in there. Yeah. Here is the second one. First one we got is oh, thanks. We got, I don't know her name. It is a boot, and it kind of matches Flappy Cap, sorry. Like it's a set. Let me see. Where is my paper? Okay. She is really cute. I don't know if it's a year, but oh, it's Snug Ugg.
An Ugg.
And it matches Flappy Cap. The next one, wait, I lost it. Here it is. This down here. It's a top hat. Oh, I love the top hat. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, her name is Tony Topper, and she is rare. I didn't tell you guys, Snug Ugg is common. And this is Tawny or Tony Topper. I don't know. But she is rare. Or it is rare. I'm going to open her Shopkins wine basket. Here, you know, more on the side. Here. Got it. There you go. Oops, I just pull it out. Oh my, those baskets sure are hard. Looks like you got sushi. Suzie Sushi in a different color. Oh, I just love sushi. She is so cute. Show me this way. Show me. It is in a different color than the pink one we got. Yeah. She got a cat too. Aren't they so cute? Well, I guess that's all for today.
Maybe we'll get another one.
And we got season 3 Shopkins. That's crazy. We're so lucky. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.